guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you are watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in a collab hosted by Jordan from my mom, Mommy Life, and we are making pies. So there will be plenty of pies in the playlist that I will link down below, and also I will have my mommy, Jordan's channel, My Mommy Life, linked down below, so make sure you check her video out as well as the playlist video once you're done watching my pie video. I will be making a blueberry crumble cream pie. This is a new one for me. I have never made one. Pies are not something that we make often. I make pumpkin pie and apple pie or apple crumble pie, and that's about it. That's where it ends. We do like eating pies, so I want to make more of them. So when I came across this collab, I thought it was perfect. I am located in Canada, in case if you didn't know, so we are not making any Thanksgiving pies, but I do think that blueberry crumble pie is good for any season, really, anytime. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to make is a pie dough. So I had measured out 3 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I have a cup of butter, some ice water right here, and my food processor with a pastry or a dough attachment right in here, which is the plastic one. And they say this is if you don't have pastry thingy to by hand, this is your next best thing to use. So I will cut up my butter into here. And now I'm going to add the flour and salt mixture that I had mixed up with a fork. And now I'm gonna pulse it to combine it. Just to show you what it looks like. It's a little bit chunky. You have to make sure your butter is cold. And now I'm going to add between 5 to 9 tablespoons of water while this is running. So it's starting just to come together, and that's where you want to stop it and then transfer it into a bowl and knead it out, or onto a surface and knead it out. So here's the dough. I have brought some flour. I am using my stone pie pan. I have my rolling pin, some non-stick spray for the pie plate or pie pan, and now I'm going to just knead it out for it to come completely together. You don't want to over knead it, and there's enough for 2 pie shapes, pie crusts here. So I will only be using one, and I will freeze the other one for next time. Okay, so this is ready, and now I'm going to make the filling. So for the pie filling, you want half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of flour, half a cup of sour cream, and 2 cups of fresh blueberries. You want these to be fresh, not frozen, because frozen don't end up looking too good in a pie. So I'm going to whisk my 2 eggs. Going to put about half a teaspoon of vanilla, sugar, you can totally use a hand mixer, I'm just being too lazy. Now I'm adding the sour cream. And I'm going to add my flour. And you want it to be smooth, not chunky. Now I'm going to fold my blueberries in. I'm going to add this to my pie crust. And now I'm going to make a crumble topping. So for the crumble, you will need 3/4 of a cup of oats, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And now I'm going to add it to the top of the pie. I am going to bake it for about 1 hour and 10 minutes on 350, and the reason for such a long time is because the stone always takes a little bit longer, so I always give myself extra 10 to 15 minutes of baking time when I'm using a stone. The way to check it is insert a toothpick and make sure it comes out clean. I would start checking it at about 55 minutes. The pie is done. I'm just going to let it rest a little bit before I cut into it. There it is.
Feel a little less scary.
And I will be eating it with the candy cane ice cream. There's also French vanilla, but I think I'm gonna have it with candy cane. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy making this pie, and I want to thank Jordan for hosting this collaboration. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for watching, and make sure you don't forget to press the subscribe button if you enjoyed my video.